the morning. I woke up a few minutes ago. I would not deny I'm still sleepy. I will first do my rosary. I think I will have some nice breakfast, but before I do all that, I want to show you something. Last night I gave up this book that I began to read. Where I put it? Well, it's the summer book. Honestly, I went to page. I cannot pass this page. This is all that I read, and I'm struggling. Page 35. It is driving me crazy. I cannot get on the book. I'm trying and trying, and it's like I try to read one page, and it's not going more. And I opened the gift. I just was curious because this was a special box. Let me show you. So the only reason I bought this box is because I accumulate so many points that it was free. Special boxes like the summer box, this one, are more expensive than the regular subscription. So anyway, I don't know if you remember I said that this was killing me. The smell is nasty. It is a mat for when you go to the beach and you want to lay down. It's a mat. Oh God, the smell. And it's a hat. I will actually throw away this hat. The smell is killing me. You can imagine how bad it smells. But it's something that you put together. I don't even want to put it in my head because it's so disgusting. Oh yeah. I don't know why I smell it. It's nasty. Anyway, this is going to the garbage. I cannot tell you how bad this smells. Actually, something else is going to the garbage. This was page 264. And it's a snake bracelet that I really don't like. Very cheap made and everything. Oh, my battery's dying. One second. Okay, better. I changed the battery. So I don't know how to explain this, but I am not keeping this. It's, I don't know. I don't like it. And I will put in this bag. Is going to be garbage. And then the other thing that I got is in this page was a glass of whiskey. I really don't drink whiskey. It's kind of like a short glass. What I can do is use to put candles, so it will work at least for that. And this made me think if I wanna keep in the subscription, because okay, you get a lot of things, and I kind of went online to check how much will be all these if I buy separate. And it's like all together with the book and all these little things. It's almost $90, so yes, it's the money is more than what you spend on these boxes. This one, of course, was free, so it doesn't hurt me. But I will be honest, I would not buy these. I use a towel if I go to the beach or to the swimming pool or something. But I got it, and maybe I will give free to a friend. This one, I only will keep it, but I would not buy ever just a single glass of whiskey for what? I can put some jewelry here or something. And then this stinky hat and that ugly thing is going away. So that made me think, I really using what I get, because I have to give a lot of the gift. And I don't know. I maybe should stop the subscription. It's fun, And okay, so I'm going to be reading right now the new. I have 3 boxes that I haven't opened. Let's give you an idea also how slow I go right now in the reading. So I took this one. We just put the book there. It's a novel love story. It has good reviews and it has 3 gifts. I will really look with this and the 3 boxes that I have if I will keep or not my subscription. If I see that it's a waste, because this book actually you can buy for $14. So, and I am feeling like I am just wasting. It's exciting opening, and I have to get some gifts that were really fun and everything. But maybe I should just buy my books, and that is right. Yeah, totally I'm feeling like that. Anyway, I wanted to do these before I go to pray because the smell is killing me, and I want to put these on the garbage right now. So I'll be back. Some cleaning here. My husband mowed the grass and cut the wheel. I still have a lot, and this is a big mess. So we have to put these in order. Let's see the veggies. Let's go to see the veggies. Ooh, look at these. Some tomatoes there. Oh, those are big tomatoes there. Huge tomatoes. I don't see this having water. Look at this pepper. We actually got some yesterday. Huge one. And this is going good. Good. The kale is getting better, happy. And I'm sure that they have something to take from here. Would be nice. I can do some toast with this. It's getting big. Oh, look at that. I think this is a big one. Do I have another big? There's so many. And there's carrots. I don't see them coming yet. It's still small. No carrots. Okay, let's clean this and I will come back. you doing? Hey, what you doing? Are you going to get wet there? No, leave the hose. Hey, leave that hose. You will play later. Leave the hose. Frosty.
Honestly, like when I get back in the fall, I'm usually so excited to come back. So it's kind of like a win-win. I have so much to do already. My kids are
I am not going to do this one because I think I have to reduce the size. I have one that I did with this pattern and it's so big, and I don't want to do it so big on this one. I have all these to iron, and I will iron my new blouse. This is really like to go out, just to stay home. It was one of the fabrics that come extra on my Sohe Elegant. Not my favorite kind of fabric, but I will not waste that, and I will have something to wear. I'm sure you notice that I have like only 3 or 4 shirts that I go rotating and new wearing, so I will have extra to wear more in summer. So let's iron.